Hi, today I'll showing you how to set up Bookly multi-step form tagging through Google Tag Manager. Here you can see my Bookly multi-step form, and now here you can see my WordPress Bookly multi-step form where I'm adding my code to track this form. This is, and here is another. Okay, so now I'll go on my Google Tag Manager here. Then now let's go on preview. Okay, now let's test. Okay, in step, now add information. Yeah, then add a phone number. Like, change the last digit and change email. Okay, okay, let's submit, and it's done. Now let's check, and here you can see event is coming here. Now let's check, and here you can see it. It's showing customer email and phone number, and also here you can see Google Ads enhanced conversion tagging. You can see my email and phone number. Okay, that's it. Or if you want to my code this, then please comment me on YouTube. Okay, thank you.